Let's create holographic text effect using Adobe Photoshop. I have kept my document size to 1920 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300. Now let's start by going to Adjustment Layer and click on Solid Color. We'll set the color to black and click on OK. Make sure the layer is selected and then press Ctrl+/ to lock the layer. So now the black background won't move by mistake. Now let's select the text tool and type the word. We'll go with the word shine. I am using the font Gradzy and set the font size to 110 points. Now let's select the Move tool and center align the text. Once you are done, come to the Layer section and double-click on the text layer to open the Layer Style option. Click on Gradient Overlay, then click on Gradient, then double-click on this little square box to select the color. As you can see, I have already made a color palette, which I will be using. Here are the hex codes if you want to use the same color palette. Now we'll select the colors as follows and click on OK. And we'll keep the rest of the settings as it is. Now let's click Satin and click on the color box and select this color from the color palette and click on OK. Set the blend mode to normal and set the opacity to 100%. Then set the angle to 0 degrees. Set the distance to 17 pixels and size to 18 pixels. Click on this drop-down arrow and select this contour option, and then uncheck the anti-aliased and invert option. Then click on the bevel and emboss and set the depth to 600%. Set size to 46 pixels. Set soften to 3 pixels. Uncheck use global light. Set the angle to 120 degrees and altitude to 20 degrees. Click on the drop-down and click on this option. Click on the color box and set this color from the color palette. Set the highlight mode to lighten and set opacity to 100%. Click on the next color box and set the same color as before. Set the shadow mode to overlay and set opacity to 50%. Do keep in mind that if you use a different font or different font size, you might need to tweak the settings accordingly. Now click on Stroke and set the size to 5 pixels and set the fill type to gradient. Then double-click to open the gradient panel and we'll select the colors as follows and click on OK. Now click on Inner Glow and set the blend mode to linear dodge add and set opacity to 25% and set this color from the color palette. Set the size to 10 pixels and keep the rest of the settings as it is. Once done, click on OK. This is how the effect looks so far. Now let's duplicate the text layer by right-clicking and clicking on Duplicate Layer and keep the name as it is and click on OK. Then right-click on the copy layer and click on Clear Layer Style and set the fill to 0%. Now double-click on the copy layer to open the Layer Style panel again. Click on Satin and set this color from the color palette and set the angle to 100 degrees. Set distance to 50 pixels and size to 250 pixels. Click on Outer Glow and set blend mode to screen, set opacity to 35%, and set the color to this. Set size to 10 pixels and click on OK. And that's it, we have our holographic text effect. For the final touch, we will now create a new empty layer. Make sure it's selected. Then go in Window and click on Brushes, and you will get this brush panel here. We'll add this glitter brush pack in the description below so you can download it from there. We'll search star in this search bar and select star 7 and switch to brush settings. You can play with the size and rotation of the brush here. We'll set the size to 280 pixels and angle to 3 degrees and minimize the panel like so. You can add the glitter effect wherever you want. I will place one here and one here. Now we'll open the brush panel and search for Single and select the brush, Single 8. Then in brush settings, we'll change the size to 400 pixels and close the panel. And add one here. And here we are done. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope you got to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.